Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. I'm your host, and today we've got something truly exciting to unbox and explore. Ladies and gentlemen, feast your eyes on the Honor X9b. First things first, check out this 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display. It's like having a mini cinema in your pocket. The colors are so vibrant, they practically jump out at you. The Honor X9b is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset. It's like strapping a rocket to your phone. And with up to 12 gigabytes of RAM, multitasking feels smoother than a well-oiled machine. But wait, here's the real secret sauce: the camera setup. The Honor X9b has a 108 megapixel main lens with optical image stabilization (OIS), a 5 megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 2 megapixel macro lens. Say cheese, because your photos are about to level up. And now, the pièce de résistance, the battery. The Honor X9b packs a whopping 5,800 milliamp-hour battery. It's like having a marathon runner in your pocket. And guess what? It supports 35-watt wired charging. Say goodbye to waiting around for your phone to juice up. Oh, and did I mention the colors? You've got your pick: sunrise orange, midnight black, and emerald green. It's like choosing your superhero suit. Which one speaks to your soul? Thanks for tuning in, fellow techies. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.